Hello, I'm Sohail Sayed. Today's my topic is data type in Java. First of all, is two types data types in two types, but our first is a primitive data type. But primitive data type is and then in features of Java, the community of the collection. The main method of the features in a data type, but data type in is a integer, float, character, boolean, double. Then are the integer. What are main method in Java? Then contains to the entirely of then are the particularly this contain from which is the particular of then have in the content of the statement. Then second is a non-primitive data type, but then are the sequentiable and the contain in the value of the constant. Then are have the dubbing from each core Java. Then are the particular which contain but have in a sequence of the methods. Then methods primitive data type non are the integer, boolean, character, float, double. Then are the boolean boolean but means are true or false, but float and double means point is value. Then the contents of the element from the having to the particular which is then we have are the uh, contain or the compiler. uh, but our data type when contain formation from the value is then have in the integer and float and double value. From then have it is the particular condition. From when these are the uh, data type, but having to much be have the content of the data type. First is a double integer character, then particularly part of condition. Then are the suffix, but are then having to the condition. But are have the particularly it is a data type. Then data type have are the sequence, but a double value and integer point value, and boolean is true or false. But integer it is the programming structure in a core Java. From a full stack development from the data type, but integer having the compilation to each. Today's contain formation. In then have the compilation to the compiler error, but programming language and structure. Then condition of the content in having the much particular of the value in same having are the uh, contain from is the compilation. Then are the having too much the condition. Then are the particularly when each and every sequenceable formation to the have the in value from having the compilation. But the condition it is then are data type, two types of data type. Then first is primitive data type, then non-primitive data type. But are integer, character, float and double value. Then having must be the operation contain which in the particularly part of condition. When then which is compilation, but formatting a question. but our core Java is a full stack development. But and compilation error. Two types of data type. First is a primitive data type, and the second is a non-primitive data type, which contain of the particularly condition of sequence. Then having the must on be the correction of the data type. But our data type, it is a double is point value, and boolean is true or false. Thank you.